Hi everyone, let's see how you can easily convert a PDF file to Microsoft Excel. To get started, simply open Microsoft Excel, then create a blank workbook, then go to the Data tab, click on Get Data, go to From File and select From PDF here. Now browse and select the PDF file you want to convert. Now once this loads, you will see the table and as well as the page. So selecting the table, you can either click load or transform data. Once the data is transformed, simply click on close and load. And that's it, the job is done. The table is ready. Now you can make any changes to this table and save it as an Excel file. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.